the Moncayo Cemetery. This is the unit that I have. And then you have to close this one. Like this. Yeah, and then check it out. Okay. This is we are under the tree, so that let me see. This is Moncayo Public Cemetery. It's nice here. Yeah, here. Here we are. Yeah. This is Moncayo Public Cemetery. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Barangay Bailo. Okay. Here we go. You have to go up there. Manghihi sa ako, manghihi. Okay, yung kay ko.